Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to send aliens mail in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and send aliens mail in Dark War Survival. So basically you have to be in an aliens. For this you'll need to have the watchtower of 8, which is a grind. So of course when you get to that you can have the aliens and you have to of course join an aliens. We have a separate video on our YouTube channel on how you can actually go and join an aliens, so you can go and check it out. Now to go and talk in your aliens when you're one, you will have to go to the bottom right corner where we have, as you can see, the messages. There we have, as you can see, report, jungle, system, reach your favorite, and one of the in the middle is aliens. And there you can of course go and send and receive and see which aliens mail you have, and that's where you can do it. Just one note, only players with the required aliens permission, typically the R4 officers and R5 leader, can send aliens mail. Regular members R1, R3 won't see the mail button. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.